Hello! The video is prepared by TS Market Company for you, our customer, as handy video instruction for Edic-mini Card16 Series A96 voice recorder. We will show you the recorder and its operation. Let's start with the delivery set. The box includes user manual, the recorder itself, USB adapter to charge the recorder, card reader for micro SD memory card, and micro SD USB. The recorder has metal case. The length of the recorder is 65 mm and diameter is 19 mm. On the lateral side there is a slot for memory card and USB adapter, a switch and a LED hole. On the front side you can see a reset button. Before operation, it is necessary to make sure the battery is charged. To charge the recorder, you should insert the USB adapter into the USB slot and then to PC. To start recording, put the micro SD card into the slot. Then set the switch to on position. The LED flashes 5 times and the recorder starts recording. During recording, the LED is flashing. The number of flashes in the first series indicates battery charge level. In the second series, it indicates the free memory capacity. The interval between the first and second series of flashes is approximately 4 seconds. To stop recording, shift the switch to off position. Wait till red LED flashes once, which means recording has stopped. When the LED turns off, put the micro SD card into the card reader or into the USB reader and then to the PC. To play back records, use any player program on the PC, for example Windows Media Player. All the recorder's settings are made using the configuration file. You can configure the settings on our website ts-market.com. In the section Recorders, you can choose any recorder of Card16 series. Press on the tab Configuration Program. Here you should choose configuration file from the memory card and load it. And now you can see the recorder's settings. Set the recording quality, file size limitations, loop recording, voice activation system, timers, recorder's date and time, and you can also return to factory settings if needed. So then, download new configuration file and replace the old one with this new file. Then remove micro SD card from the PC and insert it to the recorder. To activate new configuration file, move the switch twice from off to on and back. After processing, the indicator makes one flash. If the battery charge is not sufficient, battery is not installed, or memory card is full or cannot be read, the recorder makes red flashes to indicate it. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.